Imense ya Kenya Emeritus David Maraga litukoria rero harenge omugenio monene asomoiga bukubikirwa ekiguto kwa borokiwa be college ya Camel Park okwana nabarikia mangana asomoigo uyu nigo bono Maraga agikeire umuroberio w'eserekari koena na kibesa goeterase umuroberio bwe empowerment egento keirere aboroke be university koraria omugiro naboigo hesabari yegatia barayi kogenda senseme area ya State House nigo bono Maraga atebire na chikogendra netaro yaye korigia amaoni ao kurwa saba na inchi osio bobochori obonene bo mwaka bw'ekiri bubere 2025 na ibirasare nekirenga kyogo kya korigia oborayi bwense muri kito Bethwel Machini na roboti rwa century wikirana
nasomoiga gwokubekura kigutwa kwa baruki we 2021 ase college ya Camel Park imemo cyobusongori kuri rero Moyego yiga nigora wa hano yo kabiri munakibino monene mensi ico ya Kenya David Maraga sibono anyakabaga gukwandira na kuralia ganga yayo kuri kiro kyobora ibwense okwanekere kyo nigagendere kogikiria eserikari ya Kenya kwanza asemerobere empowerment eyabereke okoreka chinsemo mensi ya Kenya asatabiro na riboldi nene chibese chibakwana nanga ichikorwa.
You have seen members, the deputy president and other ministers going around distributing money in the form of empowerment. Some of them have even gone to State House that they are going to, and have received money there. What nobody has told you is where this money is coming from.
Korengana na Maraga nigatebiro mnachibesi icho cyabere chikwenanwa nigo kitari gotebekana chikurwa asatabira inemeroberia yemo yoko bahakaba na inchiri ya kibosi yobochori bonene bu mwaka w'ikirubere na 2025 nebere.
This is money which has been taken from public coffers and it is being given to the public as though it is donations from the president and his government. This is your money which has been stolen from you and it is bribery in advance of the 27 elections.
Chinga kichicho nigo Maraga boigaichana irege tambokere kigego kwen chibese Sokorende merobiri yarekanire geteneine arimano ko bakana borka bech university abo bagosirego cyo kugenda somugiro.
Go around to education. Money has been taken from government which is supposed to be directed to various ministries and departments to serve the purpose it is supposed to be served. Now there is no money to pay teachers. The university dons have given notice, I don't know when it is expiring, and they are downing their tools. What does that tell you? You have money to bribe, you have no money to pay university dons. And what is happening? The students are not in class.
Nigobono Maraga boria bananchi kube kuna cha okuya na gochora baribare na moramaya so mwaka w'ikirubere na 2025 nebere.
And that's why we are saying, look, this government has lost it completely, and what needs to be done is when 2027 comes, Kenyans should drive them out of office and hand over the administration to people who can manage the affairs of the nation.
Nyanabo nigo bona Maraga arire irayo chikogendera nebikara asinsemo amense ya Kenya iryo korigia kubwatesigwa asiganga yae yo korigia kirokyo baribwensa subochore banene mu mwaka w'ikirubere na 2025 nebere.
As you very well know, campaigns have not started. What I'm doing at the moment is going around in counties, in various counties, in town hall meetings, stakeholders to know their views. You know, to come up with a manifesto, you must have knowledge of what the people want. So we are going around. Like next week, I will be in Mombasa, meeting various groups of people, various professionals, and get their views and the challenges they are going through that they would want me to address when I become president of this country.
Asibono Maraga amona bakwandri banda somego yo baganire aborokiwa wamaya ekerbaho chikogenda isko korigie mirimo na okori mirimo. Reporteria Ensoko TV kuroiga county ya Kisii litira na Bethwel Machini.